Hi, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to figure out the area and the parameter of different shapes in mathematics. This is obviously very important topic. It comes in GCSE level and also at 11 plus level as well. So there are different formulas to find the area of the shapes, and there are different formulas to find the parameter of the shape as well. So I'm going to explain them here. But before we move further, I will ask you to subscribe to the channel and press the bell button on the subscribe it and press the bell button. So just in case in future, if there is a new video whenever I upload, so you will come to know, because most of the time there will be educational videos coming up. So please press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon as well. So first shape is triangle, and we have done it in the previous videos as well, how to find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle, as you can see here, area of the triangle means base times height divided by 2. B times H divided by 2. B stands for base, H stands for height. So in this triangle, base will be here and height is given here, right? So base times height, whatever the answer we get, we divide it by 2, because we have done it in a couple of videos before as well, so I'm not going to explain you here. And similarly, if we have to find the parameter, parameter, how we would find the parameter? Parameter is basically the length of the sides. We add all the lengths of the sides of the triangle, we'll get the total parameter. So for example, if this is 5, this is 10, and for example, this is 5 as well, centimeter. Remember to write centimeter, because obviously these units are very important. So we will add all of them. So in this case, 5 plus 5 and then 10, it will be 20 centimeter, right? And this will be the parameter. So remember, I'm not going to do area because we have done area in a couple of videos before as well. But my main focus will be on the parameter, how to find the parameter. But I will still explain you how to find the area, the formula of the area. So the next shape is parallelogram. In parallelogram, as you can see, the formula to find the area is equal to base times height. B times H means base times height. Base, whatever is the base here. For example, the base is 10 and height is, for example, 6. So we times, remember it has to be a unit here. So what we do, we times 10 with 6, it will be 60. So 60 centimeter, that is a 60 centimeter square. So this will be the area, and I wrote it here in the wrong place. So now we have to find the parameter. For parameter, what we do, we add all the sides, 10 plus 6 plus 10 plus 6, right? So obviously this will be 10 as well, centimeter, and this side will be 6 centimeter as well, right? So 10 and 10 is 20, 20 plus 6 and plus 6 is 32. So the parameter of this parallelogram will be 32 centimeter, right? Now the next shape is rhombus. The formula to find the area of the rhombus is B times H. B means a side and H is the height. So side, for example, if the side is 5 centimeter and the height is, imagine, is 6 centimeter, so it will be 5 times 6, which will be 30 centimeter square. And in order to find the parameter, because if this is 5, so this will be 5 as well, this will be 5 as well, and the side opposite to this one is also 5 as well. So what we do, we will add all the sides, 5, 5, 5, 5, so it will be 5 times 4, because there are 4 5s. Yeah, 5 times 4, it will be 20 centimeter, right? Now the next shape, which is a rectangle. How to find the area of the rectangle? A rectangle is a shape like this, and the formula is L times W. L stands for length, width, W stands for width. For example, the width is 2 and the length is 5. So it will be 5 times 2. So it will be 5 times 2 is 10 centimeter square, right? And if we have to find the perimeter of this rectangle, so 2L's plus 2W's, it means 2 lengths and 2 widths. So 2 lengths, obviously one length is here and one is opposite to this one. One width is here and the one width is 2 centimeter, exactly the same on the opposite side because it's a rectangle. So 2 plus 2 is 4 and then 5 plus 5 is 10. So it will be 14 centimeter, right? Now we have to, now the next shape is square. Square is very easy because all the sides have to be the same. For example, if this is 10, so width is 10, so this will be 10 as well. So 10 times 10, so the area of the square will be 100 centimeter square. And the area of this perimeter will be 4L. It means 4 times L. L is like 10 times 4 is 40. Why it is 40? Because when you add all the sides, if this is 10 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter. So this will be 10 centimeter as well. And obviously this will be 10 centimeter as well because this is square. So all the sides have to be the same. Now if we move to the next one, which is trapezium, area of the trapezium we can find here. The formula, we have done it before as well. I'm just going to do it again for you. So for example, this is the B, you know, M, the length between M and R, which is B. Imagine this is 10 centimeter. And small b, you know, the area between N and P is, imagine this is 5 centimeter. And the length between R and P is, for example, 6 centimeter. So the opposite, the one will be 6 as well, right? So the formula to work out the area is B, capital B plus small b, basically the top plus bottom, we add them, and whatever the answer we get, we times it with height. And imagine in this question, the height is 10 centimeter as well, right? So because I've just given the values there. So B, capital B is 10. So we write 10 plus small b is 5. We add them and times the answer with the height. Height is 10 as well. So, and divide it by 2. So 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 times 10 is 150. 150 divided by 2 is 75 centimeter square. So this will be the area of the trapezium. And now for perimeter, what we do, we add MN, NP, PR, and RM. So MN is 6, NP is 5, P to R, the length is 6, R to M, the length is 10. So we add all the sides, so we'll get the perimeter. So I'm just going to do it. It will be 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 10. So when you add all of them, so 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. 22 plus 5 is 27. So it will be 27 centimeter, right? Now the area of the circle. The area of the circle is pi r square. Pi is 3.14. We know that pi is always 3.14. And radius, we can give radius, for example, because the radius from is the distance from center to the side. Imagine the total diameter is, for example, 20 centimeter. So the distance from the center of the circle to the side will be 10 centimeter because half of 20 is 10. So it will be 10 centimeter. So pi r square means it will be 10 square, right? So 10 square means 100. 100 times 3.14 is 314. So this will be the area of the circle, 314 centimeter square. For the circumference, This is again very important to remember the formula. So area, because we can't have for the circumference. Circumference is the distance around the circle. What is circumference? Circumference is the distance around the circle. So formula for that one is 2 pi r. So what we do, we try 2 times pi, we already know it is 3.14. So this is the figure which you need to remember, that pi is equal to 3.14 times radius. And radius, in this case, the radius was 10, right? So 10 times 2 times 3.14. So when we work them out, because these type of the questions, they come in the calculator paper. So I'm just going to do it. 3.14 times 10 times 2 is equal to 62, will be 62.8 centimeters. So this will be the circumference. But I will still recommend you to go over all the formulas, because all the formulas are very important. You can make note of them and practice them, because they come in the exam again and again, even at 11 plus level and GCSE level as well. I've done almost all this worksheet. And again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. So whenever I upload any new video, you will get the notification. So please remember to press the bell icon as well. So thank you very much for watching this video. And I will bring a new question in the next video. But if you have any questions in your mind, you can write them down in the comment box, and I will try to make a video about those questions. Thank you very much. Goodbye.